children, this is Sumalata, Master Teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today I am going to continue the topic of measurement of length and in that additions and subtractions. Here children, let's do the addition subtractions in this. Come on, here first they given, your first number has given here 7 meters 86 centimeters. First number is 7 meters 86 centimeters plus second number is 44 meters 44 centimeters. Okay, and third number is 135 meters 15 centimeters. Every number has given in meters and centimeters children. This total is one number children. You don't think these two are in two numbers. These two are two numbers. This total is one number only which that in meters and centimeters. 7 meters 86 centimeters first number. Second number 44 meters 44 centimeters. And third number is 135 meters and 15 centimeters. Let's arrange these in columns. And what measures are common in these three numbers? Here in these three numbers we have common meters and centimeters. Okay, so I am writing at the top here which is common. Now first number you see 7 meters 86 centimeters. So meters under you write 7 and here centimeters are 86. In meters column 7 and in centimeters column 86. And second number 44 meters. So in the meters column we need to write 44 meters and 44 centimeters. Okay. And coming to third number 135 meters. So I am arranging here 135 meters and 15 centimeters. So I arranged here 15 centimeters. So let's add here. Now here we don't have the digits means we can keep the zeros here. So now let's add here 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 children. 6 after 4 children. 6 after 4 added means 10. Everyone knows addition, subtractions from here. So 6 after if we add the 4. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. When you are adding 4 to 6, we are getting 10. And 10 plus 5. 10 after 5. 10 after 5 means 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I opened a 5. It means 15. So 5 here, 1 carry on the before place. Okay. Now 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 nothing but 9. 9 after 4 again. 9 after 4 means 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. 9 after 4 means 13. 13 plus 1. 13 plus 1 means 14. Okay. 14 we are getting. So 4 here and 1 carry here on the before place. And now we are separating by the dash meters and centimeters. No? So here also we keep the dash. Now 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 nothing but 8. Okay. 8 after 4 again. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. If you add the 4, 12 we are getting. Okay. 12 plus 5 again. Okay. 12 plus 5. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We are getting here 17. So 7 here, 1 carry. Now let's add this column. 1 plus 0 nothing but 1 only. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. We are getting 8 children. So here we are getting 8. And 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So here when we are adding these three numbers, what sum we are getting? 187 meters, 45 centimeters. Let's write the answer here. 187 meters, 45 centimeters. Okay. This is the answer children of the first sum. Now let's do the second sum here. What they given here, second sum measures are, they given directly in columns children. So the measures has given here kilometers and meters. Okay. Now let's add here. Now 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. So, I am writing here 5. Okay. And here, now 3 plus 4, 3 after 4 children. 3 after 4, nothing but here 4, 5, 6, 7. When I open the 3 after 4, 7 I am getting. 7 after 6 we need to open. 7 after 6 we need to open. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So when I am adding here 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 0, 13 itself children. So 3 here, 1 carry on the before place. And here we are separating by the dash kilometers and meters. The answer also you separate it. And now 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, again 1. 1 plus 3, 1 after 3 means 2, 3, 4. 4 I am getting here. 4 plus 0, 4 itself children. So 4 here. Now 1 plus 2, 3. Here nothing is there means you can take it here in this place 0. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3 itself. And 3 plus 4. 3 after 4 children. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 they are getting. So what the answer will be? 74 kilometers, 35 meters. The answer will be here 74 kilometers, 35 meters. Yeah. Now next one here, let's subtract here. Subtraction syllable. So meters and centimeters has given directly, they given in column syllable. Come on, let's subtract here. Now 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0 children. The same number we are subtracting means you will get the 0. Now 0 minus 2. Is it possible children 0 minus 2? No. Why? Because 0 is smaller than the 2. So we are taking the borrow from the before, nothing but from the 5. Okay. So if I am taking the borrow, nothing but it will be 10 and it will be 4. Yes. Now 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2, okay. So 10 minus 2 means or else you can start the counting from 2 to 10, okay. So how many numbers we require? 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we require here 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers we require children to reach the 10. Nothing but 10 minus 2 is 8. Yeah. I am separating here by the dash. Now 4 minus 4, same number we are subtracting means again 0 children. And now 6 minus 8, is it possible 6 minus 8? No. Why? Because 6 is smaller than the 8. So let's take the borrow from before here. So the 6 will become 16 and 2 will become 1 children. Okay. Now start counting from 8 to 16 or else 16 minus 8 also you will get the same children. Okay. I am starting counting from 8 after, okay. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I reached the 16. So to reach the 16 I required 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers I required children or else 16 minus 8 also 8. And 1 minus 1, 0. So what the answer will be here? 80 meters. When you are subtracting these two numbers, 80 meters, 80 centimeters. So answer of this is 80 meters, 80 centimeters. Now this next problem has given in kilometers and meters. Let's do the subtraction. Here digit is not there means you can take it as a 0. Now let's subtract from here. 0 minus 2. Is it possible children 0 minus 2? No, 0 is smaller than the 2. So we need to take the borrow children from the 5. If I take the borrow from the 5, it will be 4 and it will be 10. Yeah children, 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2, is it possible here? Yes, 10 minus 2. How much you will get? You start counting after 2 children to reach the 8. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reach no? So to reach the 10, how many numbers are required to 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 children. So 8 numbers are required to reach the 10 or else 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay. Now 4 minus 5. Is it possible children 4 minus 5? No. Why? Because 4 is smaller than the 5. So we need to take the borrow. But here also we have the 0 children. So So we need to take the borrow from before digit. Again digit we have 0, and here from the before again 0. So from the before nothing but from the 8. 8 will become first. I am taking the borrow from 8 to this digit. I can't take directly to this 4 children. So one step you need to go. Means you need to take the borrow. So 8 will become 7. And this 0 will become first 10. And if I give a borrow from this 10 to next digit, so 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10 children. Okay. Now I require the borrow here. Okay. So here to here I pass the borrow. So this will become 9 and this will become 10 again. But I require the borrow to 4. So if I give the borrow, this 10 will become 9 and 4 will become 14. Okay. Now here it is 14, here it is 9, not 0, not 10, okay. And here it is also 9, not 0, not 10. Here also 9 and here 7. Let's subtract now. 14 minus 5, or else you can start counting after 5 to reach the 14. 5 after here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I reach the 14 children. So how many numbers are required here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers are required to reach the 14. Or else 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay. Now 9 minus 3. Yeah children. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 means you start counting from the down number which is 3. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I reach the 9. To reach the 9 I require the 6 numbers. Okay, 6 numbers. Or else 9 minus 3 is 6. Now 9 minus 8 is 9 now here. 9 minus 8. Immediate number no children. Immediate number means 1 only 9. Okay. And 9 minus 6. Okay. Or else you can start counting after the 6 also. 6 after 7, 8, 9. So 3 numbers are required to reach the 9. Or else 9 minus 6 is 3. Now 7 minus 0, 7 itself. Okay. Something minus 0, that same number. So what the answer will be? 731 kilometers, 698 meters. 731 kilometers, 698 meters. So these are the additions and subtractions children. Yes children, I hope you understood the concept of additions and subtractions. Come on, I give the worksheet on that. I will look at here. Add. Meters, centimeters I have given children. So first number 1 meter 35 centimeters and 2 meters 24 centimeters, 3 meters 10 centimeters, 4 meters 50 centimeters. You need to add these all children. Okay. You need to start the addition from centimeters. Nothing but from one space. Okay. Now second one you see here. Add 4 kilometers 495 meters. Kilometers and meters. This total is one number only children. This total is first number. You don't think this is the one number and this is a separate number. This total 4 kilometers 495 meters is first number. You need to arrange like this. While you are arranging in column, first kilometers and meters you take, and kilometers numbers in kilometers form and meters numbers in the meters column children. So 4 kilometers 495 meters is the first number. Now 27 kilometers 50 meters in second number children. And now 27 kilometers in 20 kilometers column and 50 meters. 50 meters mean the meters number, it should be the 3 digits children, but here they given 2 digits only. So what you need to do here, before arranging in the column, you need to take it here first to 0. Means 0 50 meters. Now you can arrange it columns. Now coming to subtraction here, first number meters and centimeters. So 100 meters 80 centimeters, subtract 80 meters 10 centimeters children. And second one kilometers and meters. You need to, first number is 35 kilometers 125 meters and second number is 25 kilometers 008 meters children. Okay, you need to subtract from this right side children, nothing but from the meters number from the ones place. Okay, thank you children.